Hello, all. My name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video, I am going to show you one of the best application or one of the unique application where you can see how the artificial intelligence has so much evolved in these days and how it can help the people for solving their doubts or helping them for their future innovation. Okay, so this is one of the unique website, guys. It's somewhat similar or somewhat different, where you can get help in terms of knowledge, or it can be in terms of anything. It can be related to your knowledge, or it can be anything. If you want something suppose if you want any information, means what you will do is you will just go to google.com and you will search whatever the information you want. But here the thing is, whatever you type, it will automatically fetch the information through artificial intelligence, and it will give you the results. Okay, so the application is known as OpenAI Playground. Okay, so what I will do is I will just go to google.com, and here I am going to type OpenAI Playground. So let's press enter. It's taking some time. Just try to hear. Yeah, I think now it's opened. So I will just click on this particular option, OpenAI Playground. Okay, so here once you go to this particular website, here it will ask you to sign in or sign up. So what I have done is I have signed up with my Gmail user ID and password. Okay, so here once you click on that, here you can see different options like overview, documentation, examples, playground. Okay, so here you can see write a tagline for an ice cream shop. Okay, so here they just gave an example. So here what I will do is I will just try to type some information or something which I need a more information on that. So what I will do is I will just write something related to data science itself. So what I will do is what are the pipelines of data science project. Okay, so what I will do is I will just try to submit it. So here you can see the data science pipelines generally consist of the following steps: data collection, data cleaning and pre-processing, data exploration and visualization, data modeling, data evaluation. Okay, so whatever you type, guys, it will automatically fetch the information. So it will not ask for any more options, so it will directly give the information. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just try to clear this. Here now I will type something different. How to write Python program. Okay, so I will just try to submit it. See here what it has done is if I ask how to write a Python program, it only took for binary to decimal. Okay, and directly it gave an information. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just try to clear this. How to write a Python program for how to write Python program for prime number. I will just try to submit it. See, it will automatically give the entire solution within a fraction of minute, or it can be a fraction of seconds. Okay, So this is one of the amazing website, guys. Suppose if you are doing any kind of research or if you want any kind of information, so just come and type here whatever the thing you need. It will automatically fetch the information through artificial intelligence. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. So before we end up this video, let's try with some more amazing stuff here. How to cook food, how to cook Indian food. Okay, so I will just try to submit it. See, there is no answer to this question as there are many different types of Indian cuisine. However, some tips on cooking Indian food include using fresh ingredients, spices and herbs, cooking slowly over low heat to allow the flavors to develop. So it says like there are so many Indian food. There is no specific answer for this, and let's try with some thing related to data engineering. How to deploy the model in cloud. Just try to submit it. There are few ways to deploy a model in cloud. So this is really amazing, guys. Okay, so you can use this particular application OpenAI playground and you can use this. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.